Bird flu outbreak continues to spread in more states across the country. The avian influenza has now been confirmed in the national capital in Mumbai I beg your pardon. In Delhi, 8 samples were taken from dead birds and they've tested positive. Remember, crows and ducks were found dead at various parks of Delhi over the past few days. Meanwhile, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray met officials over bird flu scare along with Animal Husbandry Minister Sunil Kedar. Maharashtra government is going to start culling operation of poultry today, and around 1,800 chicken are going to be culled. The government is also going to be starting a helpline number for bird flu related information. Prime Minister Modi, in his virtual address to the states yesterday, highlighted the ongoing issue of bird flu and asked the state governments to send the bird samples to the labs for further investigation.
हमें सभी राज्यों स्थानीय प्रशासन को वाटर बॉडीज के आसपास, पक्षी बाजारों में, जू में, पोल्ट्री फार्म इत्यादि पर निरंतर निगरानी रखनी है ताकि पक्षियों के बीमार होने की जानकारी प्राथमिकता पर मिले। बर्ड फ्लू की जांच के लिए जो लेबोरेटरीज हैं, वहां समय पर सैंपल भेजने सही स्थिति का जल्दी पता लगेगा और स्थानीय प्रशासन भी उतनी ही तेजी से कार्रवाई कर पाएगा। बर्ड फ्लू को लेकर लोगों में अफवाहें न फैलें, इसे भी हमें देखना होगा। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारे एकजुट प्रयास हर चुनौती से देश को बाहर निकालेगा।
Mustafa is now joining us from Mumbai, getting us the latest as far as the bird flu scare is concerned. Mustafa, what is the state government's advisory as far as Mumbai and the rest of Maharashtra is concerned?
Well, the state government had a high-level meeting with Chief Minister yesterday, and after which the compensation and other things to the poultry farmers were decided by the state government according to the norms which has been given by the central government. And also, pits have been dug in because there was some poultries where the bird flu cases were tested positive, and those poultries at the Parbhani area of Maharashtra will be disposed of according to the norm. So what the state government all in all is saying that the fear is there on a small scale because there are not huge poultry farms in the state of Maharashtra. So the fear is limited to some parts of the rural Maharashtra. It's not there so much in the state, but yes, they have asked all the local authorities to report if anywhere in the state deaths of birds are being reported. That should be immediately informed to the state government for necessary action regarding the same. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thanks for joining us with the latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.